So windy today. Blew the bracing off of our door. Flipped this end over end into the fence. And slightly bent the pole, but it didn't break, so it's a good fence. I'm gonna need help to get it off there though. So glad we didn't have the chickens in there. So I want to talk a little bit about our meat birds. This is our second time raising meat birds. We got 35 just like we did last year, and we're like, oh great, we'll get them out in the chicken tractors. It'll be awesome. We'll get done early. It was April when we got them. Well, that wasn't a good idea. So pasture raised meat birds here in Michigan can't be outside in April. And we thought it would be warm, but we've had snows and anyway, so basically it's a step. I mean, they're homegrown, but not how we wanted them to be. We wanted them to be outside about 3 to 4 weeks old, and they're a week from processing right now. We lost 2 due to heat because we had 2 80-degree days. So I was kicking myself about that. We ended up buying them. We got them for like $40 cheaper because they were a couple weeks old and they were trying to get rid of them. And then, so that's why we did it early. That way we can fit in more batches too. But then it hasn't really turned out at all. We probably lost all that money we saved in extra wood chips and the 2 birds we lost. I guess the good thing about them being in here is they're not afraid of us because Kevin was building these stalls, and then so they were used to noise and racket, so whenever we came up to take care of them, they really didn't seem to mind. So that was like the one good thing, I guess. And then I was really disappointed we didn't get them out in the grass, but as you can see today it's super windy. And we've had huge gusts, and our chicken tractor tipped end over end, and if we had had the birds in there, they might all be dead. At least a few more of them. So I guess all in all, if they all make it to... Another thing I forgot to do is I didn't know the accurate date that they were born, just when we brought them home. So my records weren't as good as they could have been. So I think we might be taking them to the processor like 9 or 10 weeks instead of 8 or 9 weeks. But anyways, live and learn, right? We're probably going to do another batch, and we got to figure out something about those chicken tractors so they don't fly away in the wind. So they're a beast to move, and then also they're just like kites in the wind. So I don't know if any of you else have that problem with them, but we made them that way because we had all the materials laying around for them, so they wouldn't cost us much, but they've cost us a lot in back pain and heartache. But they get the job done too, so they're not the best, but they work. Anyways, if anybody has any suggestions or comments, I'd be glad to hear them. And don't let this discourage you from raising birds. It's not discouraged us. We just started learning. It's our second time, like I said. So anyway, I will talk with you guys later.